to. 5 kinds of losses. The loss of relatives, the loss of wealth, loss through illness, loss through moral conduct, and loss through views. Okay, so these are 5 kinds of losses which are listed by the Buddha in terms of seriousness, if you like, okay, or how it affects us. The most common is, of course, loss of relatives, right? We can't prevent this. People are born, people die. So the Buddha says, look at the bottom left after the 5. It says, Avuso, friends, no beings after death, when the body has broken away, are reborn in a plane of misery, a bad destination, a lower realm in hell, on account of loss of relatives, or the loss of wealth, or the loss of health, right? Right? So even if you lose relatives, or you lose money, or even you are very sick, you will not be reborn in the lower realms. You will not be born in suffering states. But beings after death, when the body has broken up, are reborn in the plane of misery, a bad destination, a lower realm in hell, on account of loss of moral conduct and loss through views. Okay, so the first 3 are worldly things. We will lose relatives, we lose money sometimes, we fall sick sometimes, and when you fall sick, you lose money also, right? You can't make money, got to pay bills. But despite this, remember, you're still a good person. Because you lost any of these 3 things doesn't mean you'll be reborn in any bad state or suffering state. But if you lose your precepts, now if you break precept, you do something bad, it's more than losing any of the 3 things above. Now, worse than that. Because when you have this, it is very negative, it's bad, you'll be reborn in a suffering state. Number 5 is having wrong views. Okay, right? Wrong views, wrong ideas, wrong teachings. And that also will bring us pain in the future life, because we will not die happy, right? So in other words, the last 2 are very important. Keeping the precepts well, studying the suttas properly, understanding life is impermanent, and that being kind to others is good, right? Some people will tell us, oh, it's not good to be kind to people, they take advantage of you and so on. Right? That's not helpful, because if everybody thought like that, nobody will be happy, right? So very simply, that's what it means, okay?